me, worry about yourself. Don't you think about me, think about.
What would you say if you knew when I was editing this later that I was going to cut off your answer? What's the capital of Mississippi?
I know this one. Isn't it Jackson?
Let's go! That's your name! Look at how I did that? Jackson. I had Jackson where the capital of Mississippi was, and the capital's Jackson.
It's a shake of it. She said, oh, you rich.
That cannonball?
Oh, let's go.
Dope. That's dope. It's the capital of North Dakota. Alright, cool. What would you say if you knew when I was editing this later that I was going to cut off your answer? Besko. What would you say if you knew when I was editing this later I was going to cut off your answer?
My side hurts so bad.
In the club, different structure. Find me a bitch I can. When I take drugs, I go to the moon.
She's giving me dirty looks. I was like, okay, pretty comfortable, am I right? What's up? We have to stick together. This isn't a picture. It's an easy game. Fuck! How you doing, huh? Big.
Oh, yeah. This.
Say hi.
What's up?
Say bye.
Bye.
Alright, see you later. Alright guys, that's the end of the vlog. Next video gonna be the National Park review of the Grand Canyon, so stay tuned for that one. It's gonna be a good one, and hope you guys enjoy this one. This was kind of a weird montage of stuff, but I thought it was a good one. So catch you next time, and yeah, go Pats. Not this Sunday, but next Sunday. So